Hi everyone, my name is Urwa. I just launched my personal website where I showcase my portfolio. On this website, you can find my achievements, experiences, and my projects or competitions I joined. I also include my social media where I showcase my portfolio. I created this website not just to share my journey, but also to show you how powerful a portfolio website can be for a personal branding. If you want your own personal website to highlight your skills and achievements, I can build one for you with an affordable price. I can create a website just for you to showcase your achievements, your experience, and your social media. If you want any customization to fit your style and needs, just let me know. Feel free to contact me and let's build your digital presence together.